Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Trulymack, and today I'm gonna share with you my tips and tricks of how I get like a fast hairdo. If you go back to my Instagram, you'll see a couple like posts back where my hair is just like scrunched and wavy. I just have got out of the shower, so my hair is like still so wet. But I'm gonna share with you guys how I do this easy hairstyle and what I do when I don't want to straighten and blow dry my hair. So stay tuned if you want to keep watching. For this hairstyle, like honestly it is super easy. All I use is this mousse. It's by Wella. This thing smells so amazing. It's their extra volume, but it's not too crazy of like a hold. It's like that like perfect amount. So first I use this, and what I'm gonna do is I did brush through my hair, so this is just like my wet crazy hair. So I'm gonna shake up my mousse, and then I'm gonna put just like a good size amount through my hand. I'm gonna just rub this all through my hair. So with my short hair, the only parts that bother me are back here and my sides. Like up here I want this to be like all the crazy messy curly kind of hair, but my sides I don't want them to poof out, so I gotta make sure that I get this mousse through my sides just so that when it does dry it's more like piecey and not poofy, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna literally stick this mousse all throughout my hair. This is like literally like my go-to every day lately because it's so easy. I have a haircut that you can have pieces come in front of your ears, but for this I've been liking pushing it back. So I'm just gonna get just a little bit more through here, rub it through, and then just stick it all throughout my hair. I actually have really straight hair. The more product I use, the better this will hold for me, just because if not it wants to just go straight. So I'm literally sticking that mousse just through everything, and then through my sides I'm just pushing back and then bringing down through here. So I use this, it's like a really soft sea salt spray for when your hair is wet and when it's dry. So if I just want a little bit of texture on my straight hair, I'll just spritz a little bit. So I'm gonna spray some of this, and then I'm going to just scrunch all of this up. Just kind of try to make a scrunching motion. And then I'm gonna pull all of this up on top of my head and take one of my clips, and I'm going to clip it right there. You can kind of see that there are, don't mind my ugly yellow towel. It's the only one I could find in this fast moment of my life. You can kind of see that there's like pieces that are kind of going around and they're not all in place. I like that because then throughout the day these pieces kind of just mesh in, like you can see this curl. When I take out this clip, it will just kind of like mesh and all like fold together. I will spray this Kevin Murphy, it's a sea salt spray. It's called their Beach Look. Once I stick it in this clip and it's like all messy and the way that I want it, I spray this. And I use more product than I should probably because my hair is so straight. I'll leave it in this clip for like a good 10 minutes. What I do is I take this clip out and then kind of see which areas need a little bit more body. So I'm gonna take it out right now just to show you, even though it's not ready to be taken out. But like say I took it out and then I see that this part needs a little bit more body. What I'll do is grab that clip again, move it over there, and clip over this way. So I kind of just like move the clip as my hair dries. But since it's still wet and still needs that like I'm gonna hold it in right there for just a little bit, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like dried. I literally use these three products. If you don't want to spend the money on Shuamora and get this, you can honestly just do these two and you'll be like golden. I know I have short hair, but I even did this on my hair when it was long. So as it gets longer and if I grow it out and things like that, I'll show you. But it's super, super easy. Just stick mousse in, stick some spray, make messy buns all over your hair, let it dry for a little bit, like do your makeup, clean the house, and then just pull them out, and then all you have to do is just scrunch those pieces. Stay tuned and I will show you what it looks like when I get back. So I wanted to show you, yes, Harlow is in here with me. You know, I'm a mom and I can't just record things and leave my children upstairs, so she's in here with me. But I wanted to show you, so my hair is like all dried. It's actually such a nice day today, and so I went outside with my hair like this, and Harlow just played outside for just a little bit. But it's still in the clip, and so I want to show you when I take out the clip, it's still like in its area. Yeah, huh? So my hair is still in its like shape after I took that out. I'll shake that out, and then depending on which side I want, I'll flip it either way, because I cut my hair so I can either flip it that way, this way, or that way. But I actually most of the time do it this way. I don't know, it just kind of like works better with me. But you can see it just is like beachy and has like volume. If you don't want it like up like this, you can bring it down a little bit and bring it more in your face and give it like a little bit more of a swoosh and things like that. But yeah, just is like super easy and looks like you did it even though you didn't. And if you like need any other pieces to go a little certain way, like I'll just spray it with some more of that beach spray. And yeah, just kind of give it volume. And also by having it in that clip and holding it there, like it just gives you volume because it's like dries up. So that's also another good thing, just because I need as much volume as I can. Yeah, this is my little messy beach wave look, and it's super simple, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll just spray it with some hairspray and I'll be done and ready to go. I will tag down below all the products that I use. If I don't use this beach spray, I also like Way and L'Oreal Professional, their beach spray. So I'll link those below and just share the things that I use. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys.